Experiencing issues with total wireless password resets, specifically with email, SMS links, or 2FA, you're not alone. A common cause is outdated contact information. First, verify that your registered email address and phone number are correct within your total wireless account. If using SMS, ensure that your phone's SMS function is working properly and that your carrier isn't blocking shortcodes. For email, check your spam or junk folder. Also, password reset links typically expire within 24 hours, so request a new one if needed. If issues persist, try using the Total Wireless app for password resets instead of the website, as it's often more reliable due to direct integration. Remember to never share 2FA codes with anyone. If 2FA codes aren't working, ensure your Authenticator app is properly synced and up to date. If you're using SMS 2FA, confirm your SIM card is correctly matched to your account and that you have a stable cellular connection. For persistent 2FA failures, contact Total Wireless support directly through their in-app chat or customer service line. If these steps fail and you're still locked out, you might need to provide additional identity verification to Total Wireless support to regain access, due to increased security measures against SIM swapping attacks. As a last resort, consider setting up alternative 2FA methods for redundancy and keep backup codes in a safe place.